Greetings, teachers and friends. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Charlton Bailey. My student ID was 661000093. And my partner.
Hello, my name is Theeraphat Indee. My student number is 661000163.
For this clip video, we would like to present our English for Management final project presentation. For the company that we had chosen was King Power. Comparing to the lecture 1, 2, and 6, which is about working across culture, communicating across culture, and the importance of understanding the local culture. So let's begin. So for the content that we are going to talk about in this presentation, there was about the company, the related lecture, which is about lecture 1, 2, and 6, the conclusion, and our team. So for the about company that we have chosen, King Power was a Thailand-based company that operates primarily in the duty-free retail sector with additional interest in sport, entertainment, and real estate. It was founded in 1989 and has since become one of Thailand's most prominent companies. For the related lecture that we are going to talk in this presentation, there was 3, which is about working across culture, communicating across culture, and the importance of understanding the local culture. For the first lecture, there was a few questions about working across culture. What are the main reasons for the company to start looking at its domestic markets? What are some of the problems that might arise when marketing and advertising products in different countries? What kind of cultural problems can arise when a company starts working internationally? In each lecture compared to King Power companies, there was answer in many aspects. So we had decided to categorize them into subtopics. King Power as a multinational company must navigate and work across various cultures effectively to succeed in its national operations. Here are some ways King Power or any multinational companies can work across culture. For the first lecture, which is about working across culture, we have selected 8 topics to talk about, which is about the first one, cultural sensitivity and awareness. By promoting cultural sensitivity and awareness among employees, provide training on different culture, custom, and norms. The second topic was diverse workforce. By building a diverse workforce which reflects the cultural diversity of the region in which company operates. The third topic was effective communication. By ensuring clear and effective communication across language and culture barriers, translation and interpretation service can be necessary in some situations. For the fourth one was localization. By adapting product, service, and marketing strategies to cater to the specific needs and preference of each cultural market. Recognize that what works in one culture may not work in another one. For the fifth topic was about local partnership. By forming partnership with local company or organization to gain insight into the local market and build trust within the communications. For the sixth topic was respect for cultural norms, even if they differ from those in the company home countries, flexibilities and adaptabilities. For this topic, in response to changing cultural dynamics, what may be acceptable today may be not in the future. For the last topic in lecture 1 was compliance with local law and regulations. Understand and adhere to the local laws, regulation, and business practices. Compliance is essential to avoid legal issues and build up positive regulations. So we now on the second lecture, which is about how King Power communicating across culture.
For the second lecture, the questions are, in what ways do you think working internationally has changed in recent years? Question number 2, what personal skill and quality are important if you want to work successful with people from other cultures? And question number 3, what example can you think of where differences in communication style might cause problem when working across culture.
Effective cross-cultural communications is crucial for King Power or any multinational companies to operate successfully in diverse cultural environments. Here are some key considerations for how King Power can communicate effectively across culture. There was 6 topics in this lecture. Begin with the first one, which is about language proficiency. Ensure that employees who work in the culturally diverse environment have the necessary language skills. For the second topic was translation and localization. Translate marketing materials, signage and importance of document into the local language of the region where King Power operates. For the third topic was active listening. By encouraging active listening to the employee in the organizations. This involves not only hearing or what being said, but also understanding the underlying contexts and emotional in the communication.
So, the next one, lecture 2, communicating across cultures. The first one is visual communication. Use visual communication tools such as icons, symbols, and image when language barriers are a concern. The next one, nonverbal communication. Recognize that nonverbal communication, body language, gestures, facial expression, or varies across cultures. Respect for hierarchy. Understand the significance of hierarchy in some cultures. In some countries, respect for authority and seniority is crucial in communication and decision making.
Understanding the local culture is paramount for King Power or any multi-companies for several reasons.
And the lecture 6, the importance of understanding the local cultures. For the 6th lecture, the question are, in your own country, what action should a company take if one of its products is found to be faulty and may cause injury to user? And question number 2, if company products are found to be faulty in Japan, how do you think the company should react? Effects communication. Understanding the local cultures help facilitate effective communication with employees, customers, partners, and stakeholders in the regions. Building trust and relationships. Culture often place a high value building trust and relationships before engaging in business transaction. Market relevance, trolling products, service, and marketing strategies that align with local cultures make the company more relevant and appealing to customers in the regions. So the cultural sensitivity, recognizing and respecting cultural sensitivity and taboos is crucial to avoid inadvertently offending or alienating customer and partner. Adaptation and innovation, understanding that cultural factors allow the company to adapt and evolve its offering to better meet the demand of the local market. And the legal and regulatory compliance. Understanding that cultural influences is essential for ensuring compliance with the local law and regulation, which is critical for avoiding legal issues. For the conclusion, King Power Company. King Power is a Thailand company that operates primarily in the duty-free retail sector with additional interest in sport, entertainment, and real estate. Report and reference. Research in information left www.kingpower.com. Left information from ChatGPT, creates presentation and report, film and presenting video and edit. For the first lecture that we used is Lecture1, working across culture, and the next one, Lecture2, lecture communicating across cultures, and the last lecture is Lecture6, the importance of understanding the local culture. This is our team. For the first person is Charlton Bailey. Student number is 661000093. The second one is Theeraphat Indee. Student number is 661000163. Thank you for your paying attention.